Discover how LinkFinder AI empowers recruitment teams by providing clean, comprehensive candidate data. This demo highlights the platform's capabilities to enrich candidate profiles efficiently and accurately. Click the first link in the video description to visit LinkFinder AI, one of the best free sourcing tools for recruitment teams. Switch to the LinkFinder AI homepage to begin exploring its data enrichment features for sales and recruitment. Click Start Free Trial to create a free account and access the platform's capabilities. Choose the data type you want to enrich, such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Fill in the selected data type to define the information you want to enrich for your candidates. Click to select the output type, like LinkedIn profile URL or verified email, to specify the desired enriched data format. Fill in the output type to tailor the enrichment results to your recruitment needs. Click the field to enter the full name of the lead you want to enrich. Fill in the lead's first name, such as Bill, to begin the enrichment process. Click the company name field to specify the organization associated with the lead. Fill in the company name, for example, Microsoft, to refine the data enrichment. Click Enrich Data to start gathering detailed information about the candidate based on the inputs provided. Click the LinkedIn profile URL to view the enriched data directly from the candidate's LinkedIn page. Click to select the data type for another enrichment query, such as company name or LinkedIn company URL. Fill in the chosen data type to specify the information you want to retrieve. Click to choose the output type, including LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Fill in the output type to customize the enrichment results for your recruitment needs. Click the field to enter the LinkedIn profile URL of the candidate you want to enrich. Fill in the LinkedIn profile URL, such as https://www.linkedin.com/in/William Gates, to retrieve detailed candidate data. Click Enrich Data to begin extracting comprehensive information from the LinkedIn profile URL provided. Click on Bill Gates' profile to review the enriched candidate information. Click the professional titles like Chair of Gates Foundation and Founder of Breakthrough Energy to see detailed role information. Click the location, such as Seattle, United States, to verify the candidate's geographic information. Click the About section to understand the candidate's background, interests, and professional summary. Click Experience to see the candidate's work history and relevant roles. Click Education to examine the candidate's academic background, including institutions like Harvard University and Lakeside School. Click to select output types such as LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address for bulk enrichment. Fill in the output type to specify the data fields for bulk candidate enrichment. Click Enrich Data to process multiple candidates' information simultaneously. Click the enriched email address, such as bill.gates@microsoft.com, to access contact details. Click Upload CSV to start bulk enrichment by uploading a list of candidates. Click Select File to choose the CSV file containing candidate data for enrichment. Click the LinkedIn URLs in the uploaded CSV to preview candidate profiles and enrichment status. Click Process for items to begin enriching all candidates listed in the CSV file. Click Export to download the enriched candidate data for your recruitment records. Click API Access to explore programmatic ways to enrich candidate data through API calls. Click View API Docs to review detailed instructions for integrating LinkFinder AI with your systems. Click B2B Data Lookup to access API endpoints for retrieving business-to-business data. Click Extract Full Profile Data from a LinkedIn profile URL to learn about this API feature. Click the curl command example to see how to post requests for LinkedIn profile data extraction. Click the curl command to check the status of your API requests programmatically. Click Extract Full Profile Data from a LinkedIn profile URL to review API capabilities again. Click Find a person's professional email address from their LinkedIn profile URL to explore this API feature. Click the curl command example to see how to post requests for email extraction from LinkedIn profiles. Click Post LinkedIn Profile to Email Sync to initiate email lookup synchronization via API. Click Post LinkedIn Profile to Phone Sync to find a person's phone number from their LinkedIn profile URL. Click the curl command example to post requests for phone number extraction from LinkedIn profiles. Click LinkedIn Profile to Phone to use the API for retrieving phone numbers from LinkedIn profiles.